What's up, fam? It's your boy Craig, and man, in today's video we're going to talk about option plays that I made this week. Hey, AMC is running up like it should, and everyone is looking to gain more profit on that. But over here, where everybody's attention is averted to that, I am taking my time and I'm getting more and more option plays built up in the portfolio, keeping it at the maintained level of 2% of my wealth. Hey, let's keep that thing going, man, and you know how we do over here. So I need you to subscribe to the channel. I need you to hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I drop content like this. And man, let's lock in for the play. Hey, but before we go and do that first, let's talk about it from this angle. Man, I started with an option play that I'll leave linked down below on my 5K option plays challenge, where man, I talked about investing in hecla mining with an option play. Man, I started that thing back in February, and man, that thing has already brought profit over 60% on that contract alone. So we closed it out today because it was set to expire in March of 2022. And man, with the way the economy is going, and maybe it's getting ready to hit that edge of where it's going to hit that exponential growth again for another bull run, I decided to close that option play out and start moving into other plays that I see that can actually be on the back end and start making a new run towards 2022 and 2023. Man, look, I gained $480 on those two option contracts, $240 a piece per contract. And what happened with that, I took that money back from the initial capital that I invested, lump sum that with the gross profit, and now we flipped those into two more contracts that we added, two more option plays that we have out there. So let's just jump into what those option plays look like and what they are. So I'm gonna pull it up on the screen so you can play along too, baby. Okay, fam, so you'll see I have on the screen, man, my first option play that I purchased today was Arcimoto, stock symbol FUV. And man, this is at the 7.5 call option play, right? Okay, so man, let's just look at it. You see that I have two contracts up on this play right now, currently sitting at a market value of $820. So I'm already up $60 on this play, about 7%, but it's set to expire January 21st, 2022. And man, you'll see that the break-even price is at $11.30. Now, according to tip ranks, I'm gonna get my numbers out for you when it comes to tip ranks and what the analysts are saying about what this stock is going to do this year in the next 12 months based on their estimates. According to tip ranks, they're saying that Arcimoto is going to come in on the low at $12, and even at the median of $15.50, and then maybe even at the high of $19. Now, if you've been playing along with me and you've been watching this channel grow, man, you know that Arcimoto has already ran through these levels before, and it already ran up to $30-something a share. And now we're looking to see where this thing is gonna go next, and it's already been at the bottom of the levels that it can be at, and this is sure enough at least a $1 billion company. We'll move on to the next one in my portfolio, man, and the next one will be ocugen. That's a straight 7.5 straight call on this as well. Man, you'll see that it's the market value is $455, currently down 6% right now, but you see that it has a break-even price of $12.35. Okay, so then we're talking about it like that, right? You see that, man, let's talk about it from the angle of what I see the analyst estimates are saying and how we're playing this game. Okay, so when it comes to tip ranks, when it talks about ocugen, you'll see that on the low they have it at $8, and then you'll see on the median price it's at $10.25, and on the high at $12. Do your own homework, understand the plays that you're in, but we're playing ocugen all the way up to January 20th of 2023. This is when this contract is set to expire, and man, I don't even think we're going to come close to that, but I'm not even looking to sell this until mid-year 2022. So we'll check back in then, and man, I'll update you on the status if I sell it before that, but I guarantee you it'll be in the portfolio until at least next year. So man, that's it on those two option plays that I made. So let's just talk about why I do long-term option plays, which they're called leaps, versus short-term option plays where people buy them for the week, buy them for the day, or buy them for a couple months out, because I like to self-insulate myself away from the risk that I can manage myself. So sometimes it's better to not even be looking at your portfolio every day, because now you're starting to understand the up and downs of the movement of the stock, and you're tracking it so much that now you're starting to anticipate your own risk that you can only handle so much. So if you have that much risk put into one stock, that means you might need to take a chance to diversify your portfolio a little bit more, so you don't have that panic, that anxiety inside of you to keep on wanting to check your stock portfolio every day. When I check the stock portfolio, I'm checking to see if it went up, or I'm looking just to see how much I need to add to my positions. Hey, that's where all I'm looking to see what's going on, because on red, it's a buy day. If it's on green, it's a celebrate day. That's how I look at it every time of the week, man. So look, I got a survey that's gonna be coming out on Twitter, so I need you to follow me on Twitter at the Craig Houston. Man, look, I need to know how many times you want to see option plays on this channel. Do you want to see it weekly? Do you want to see it monthly? Or do you want to see it at least 2 times a month? Because, man, I want to do what's best for this channel, and I want to do what's best for you, because this is what we're doing here together, man. We're all growing together. So let's build our wealth where everybody else is looking to bounce while we looking to pounce. Hey, that's what we do over here, man. If you found value in this content, hit your boy with a like, and definitely don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and go ahead and hit that notification bell on your way out the door. Hey, it's been your boy Craig. I want y'all to stay safe out there. Peace.